Locked and loaded NT, you already know what it be. My nigga Moody, my nigga K. Waking up, you know I thank the Lord for the day. Roll a big old blunt and then I bump the tunes that I made. Shout out to my OG tryna put me on with these songs. He played a sample for that fella, now I'm off in the yo. My nigga locked and loaded, hope you know that that's from the jump. Moody left him slump, he tried to run the race but he lost. Coolin' like a boss, my lady rub me down with that oil. She say I got some sauce, my nigga, I go to work in some Jordans. Cross the carpet soaring, yeah the life you live is too boring. Scoring like I'm Kobe, LA Lakers hat with the forces. Hop inside the fortress in my Buick, man, I be floating. Cleaner than a bubble, but you know we come from the dirty. Come up out the gutter, standing in our way, bring you trouble. Want nobody more you, yeah, coach just took him out the game. He cares so much about fame, but how he ended up scraping change. Man, I feel your pain, the hardest times I've been through. Hey, boy, make no mistake, watch what you stacking on your plate. My woad is made away, now we coolin' out every day. Extendos in the place, and we roll them old-fashioned ways. Watch the day go by, while I'm rolling another spliff, man. You already know we do this every day, man. Yeah, you know that we don't play no games. Been coolin' out here. We been round the block, posted on the same thing. We tryna smoke all this green and make a little change. Tryna smoke up till I can't smoke no more. Yeah. You already know what it is, my nigga. On game.